Hey y'all, this is Elias with Zone Off-Road. So I know it seems like Broncos have taken forever and ever to get here, but guess what? They're finally here. You've seen them on the trails, on the streets, everywhere. It's awesome. Here we've got 3 different Broncos. All right, so to my left we have the Bronco Sport in Badlands trim level. Up here in the orange we have the Bronco 2-door, and up there in the dark blue we have the 4-door. We have multiple kits coming out for both the Bronco and the Bronco Sport here. This one currently has the 1.5-inch spacer in the front. The great thing about this 1.5-inch leveling kit is that it makes it so it works perfectly with the platform that Ford has already provided, making it so your suspension stays factory new. So aside from the leveling and lift kits we have for the baby Bronco, we'll be offering several lift options for the bigger Bronco, from 1-inch leveling kits all the way up to huge 6-inch lift packages able to clear massive tires. We'll be offering a wide range of kits and accessories to take your Bronco up to the next level. All kits are being developed to build off the factory suspension geometry to offer the extra height and tire clearance while maintaining on and off-road vehicle performance. 1 and 2-inch kits for the base Broncos will utilize strut spacers to lift and level the stance, where the 4-inch kits for the base models and the 2 to 3-inch kits for the Badlands and Sasquatch equipped Broncos. These will use strut spacers and new upper control arms to maintain performance and suspension travel with the clearance for 37-inch tires. Stepping up to the taller 6-inch lift kits, these kits will take a bit longer to develop, test, and bring to market with drop cross members, replacement steering knuckles, differential relocation, and more to allow clearance for much larger tires. Look for those 6-inch kits to come available early 2022. With Zone Off-Road and the Fox Factory family of brands, we have all the different things coming, from suspension lifts to shocks to body armor to bumpers to fenders, all of it. We've got so much more coming. Stay tuned. We're really excited to help you enhance your Bronco experience. Hey, make sure you guys keep up to date with us at zoneoffroad.com and check out all of our social media pages.